Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena. So today we are going to be doing a complete curl reset. So not only am I going to be resetting my hair, I'm also going to be coloring my hair darker. So this is going to be like literally a transformation. Let me show you guys how I do this. This is what my hair is currently looking like. It's been 2 weeks exactly since I straightened my hair with the Revlon brush. So that's why my hair looks kind of crazy right now. But honestly, I still love it. I feel like it still looks good and I love the volume that I have and everything. I think it looks nice. But yeah, it's about time. I need to wash my hair and then we'll apply the semi-permanent color because this, you have to do it on freshly washed, clean hair. I have like some pretty light brown ends, especially right here. Let's take a nice look at this color here and we're going to compare the before and after. But you can see, you guys see like this brown right here, especially on the ends. You can see a lot of brown. All of this is going to be gone, hopefully. So you can see this is how my hair was looking. Honestly, I love these results and I'm going to do a video where I show you guys how I got these results with the Revlon brush and how I did it without any damage at all. But yeah, I just started off by wetting my hair, made sure to get every single strand nice and wet. So I'm going in with Olaplex number 4C. This is the Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. This is the first time I'm actually using pretty much all of these products in this video. It doesn't really have too much of a strong fragrance to me. It smells, it's all right. So yeah, I went ahead and emulsified this first in my hands and then I massaged this throughout my scalp. I'm focusing especially just on my scalp. Since this is a clarifying shampoo, I do not want to dry out the ends of my hair. Then I went ahead and I rinsed that clarifying shampoo out. And I'll tell you guys, I definitely felt like my hair was clean. My hair even felt a little bit dry from this clarifying shampoo, but I don't mind that because I really want to make sure that I get everything out of my hair. Remember, it was 2 weeks since I last washed my hair and every single day I was adding oils on it. So yeah, there was a lot of stuff, on my hair. Next, I went in with the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So this is just their regular shampoo. I'm doing a double cleanse because like I said, it had been 2 weeks. So I need to make sure that I get my hair nice and clean. This is definitely more creamy and this is definitely way more moisturizing than the clarifying shampoo, which makes sense. But yeah, I went ahead and emulsified it and lathered it all throughout my hair. It has such a nice lather and it actually feels really, really good in your hair. I was pretty surprised by this. Didn't expect it to be like as moisturizing as it is. When I rinsed it out, I didn't really feel that moisture, like kind of just my hair felt clean again. So that's good because I don't expect my shampoo to give me a lot of moisture, I don't mind that. You can literally see like my curls starting to come back, looking really, really nice. Next, I went in with the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner and you can see here it has a nice creamy, pretty thick, oops, almost dropped it, consistency. I ran this throughout the ends of my hair. This has some great slip. Okay, I was able to easily finger detangle my hair, as you can see, and then I grabbed my favorite Nina Bella organic brush. It's like $7 from Amazon and it's so good for detangling hair. I left it in my hair for just like a couple minutes because since I'm coloring my hair, I really don't want too much oils on it, you know what I mean? So I went ahead and I rinsed it out and yeah, my hair definitely did feel healthier. And I was pretty shocked because I didn't think like the shampoo and conditioner would really do anything from just one use, but I did feel it. I don't know, maybe it's in my head. This is how my hair was looking. All right, so I just got out of the shower. I wrapped my hair in this t-shirt towel, which this is pretty cool. This is from Lush. It's literally like a turban, but it's made out of 100% cotton. So I like this. The only thing is, it's kind of annoying because the black one gets dirty so fast. Like as soon as this dries, it will have white water spots all over it. I would have bought this in white if I knew that was the case, but this is pretty cool. Anyways, this is how my hair is looking. So we're gonna start dyeing it now. So this is the easiest way and how I like to do it. I like to part my hair into quadrants. So straight down the middle and then from ear to ear. Okay, now that I have my hair parted into four, one, two, three, four, looks pretty funny. Now I'm gonna grab my little Amazon hair dyeing bag. You could get this for like so cheap on Amazon, and it really does come in handy. It has mixing bowls, it has brushes, it has nice gloves in here. I use this every single time I dye my hair. So I'm gonna grab the black gloves from in here, and I'm gonna grab a brush. Probably use this brush. All right, I'll start off by putting these gloves on. So starting with the right side, first, I'm gonna make sure that it's detangled. So I'm gonna grab my favorite wet brush and just slowly detangle it from the bottom up. Do you see all that brown? Hopefully that will be gone by the time we are finished. Hopefully. I'm gonna start out by just putting hair dye on the perimeter of this quadrant. So I literally just squeeze it directly onto my head like this. I take my brush and then I'm just gonna start brushing this dye into my hair. Just like that. Hopefully you guys can see, because I don't know, my hair looks so black on camera for some reason, but hopefully you guys can see that. Yep. All right, now the next thing that I do, is this easiest thing to do, is I just start making parts and then work from the top to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys like a time lapse of this so that it doesn't take forever. Because my hair is so thin, I make about 1-inch parts, but you want your parts to be small enough so that each section is like fully saturated. So the reason why I'm doing it like this is because I'm trying to have my roots be the darkest area of my head and then gradually fade into a softer black. That's really important to explain why I chose this method. I want the color to sit on my roots for the longest time. I also have some annoying stubborn grays in the crown area, and yeah, I want to make sure that those get covered up. So literally this process is so easy. You see me just repeating the same thing, making a part and then adding some color, painting it on there. I'm trying so hard not to get it onto my scalp, but I do end up getting it onto my scalp, unfortunately. Yeah, and then when it comes to the back, because people always ask me, how do you do the back of your hair? You can do the back of your hair pretty easily if you have a mirror. You just have to, use the mirror in your rear view, and then you just make a part from the top going down. So I do that sometimes. However, most of the time I call in my backup reinforcement husband, come in here, dye the back of my hair. And yeah, he does a pretty good job. He knows how I like it. So I part my hair for him because we all know men suck at parting, and then he colors it. But honestly, if he wasn't here, I would just do it by myself with a mirror. It's just there was no way I could do that while trying to film on camera. That was impossible. So yeah, then at the very end, I go in and just drag the color through the ends of my hair. The reason why I'm doing it like this is because I am not trying to have inky one-dimensional hair. I'm trying to have like natural looking black hair. The roots being the darkest and fading into a very soft black, even dark brown. So I'm going for a very natural yet still intense and dark. Does that make sense? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just tied my hair up on the top of my head. Then I went ahead and cleaned it off. You can see it cleaned off my skin pretty easily, so that was good. I added this paper bag, not because I needed to, but because my head was cold. Legit, that's why I put it. I don't think it will do anything since this doesn't have a developer or anything. So now for the most uncomfortable wash ever. Like, since I had makeup on, I did not know how I was gonna take this out of my hair, and I wasn't trying to get back in the shower. So I tried to bend my neck and had my husband like wash my hair out, but it was so uncomfortable, you guys. Like, look at my freaking neck, looks like it's gonna snap in half, doesn't it? You can see it rinses away pretty easily. I mean, it took some time, and like it took us a good 10 minutes just for the water to run like somewhat clear. Shout out to my husband, he did a lot of work today helping me out. But I will warn you guys, like when I got up from this position, the back of my head, which had hair dye on it right underneath me touching the bathtub, has actually stained our tub, and we tried to scrub it off, but it's still like a very light greenish stain on there. So yeah, it's weird because like the dye running in the bathtub didn't stain it, but the one that was like underneath my head stained it. So yeah, just be careful with that. All right, I just finished washing my hair. That was the hardest thing ever. My goodness. Let's see, can't judge it until we actually see. Can't really judge it until it's 100% dry, but it does look darker for sure. The roots look nice and black. The ends are kind of like a dark brown. My hair feels so freaking dry right now, so let's go in with some leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using this Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Essential Benefits Multitasking Leave-In Spray. It'll just provide my hair with some much needed moisture. So it's gonna, especially at the ends, I'm gonna spray that. It's nice and lightweight. This is actually the first time I'm using this leave-in, so it's kind of like a first impressions for me. It's lightweight, so I can use it like near my crown area too. I'm going to go in with my wet brush and just slowly detangle my hair, as well as make sure that that leave-in is like evenly distributed throughout my hair. Oh, it feels so good. This brush, when your hair is wet, oh my god, it's like the best scalp massage you will ever feel. Seriously. My god, why does my forehead look so big on camera? I don't like that. It's not that big. Okay, there we go. Nice and combed out. Man, my hair looks so good. It looks so shiny. Do you guys see that? It is shining, shining, shining. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and like style it and do my wash and go. So I'm gonna go in with Innersense. I create volume and I create hold. This because I have such fine and thin hair, and then this to give me some definition. But I mean, honestly, so far my hair is shining so much. It looks really good, really healthy. I feel like that Olaplex helped a lot. Okay. All right, you guys, I will be back when my hair is dry and we'll see the final results. Okay, are you guys ready to see the results? In 3, 2, 1. Yes, so this is how my hair looks. This is the color. First of all, let's talk about these curls, because my curls look so good. Like, they look so healthy. They are so defined. I got a lot of volume. I feel like the Olaplex really helped, but I also feel like the Innersense, I create hold and volume, they worked really well together. I did use like way too much gel though. My hair was so crunchy. So next time I will use less gel. But overall, like, I really like these results. Look at this. Like, I got some pretty nice definition. Like, every single piece of my hair is curled. There is absolutely no heat damage whatsoever. It reverted straight back to curly as if it never left being curly. Now let's talk about this color. Okay, so on camera, I think for you guys it just looks like it's black, but in real life, actually in real life, the color that I got was espresso brown. So it wasn't supposed to be black. It was just supposed to be a dark brown. And in real life, this comes off as like a very natural, soft black color, which I actually do like, because as much as I love black and I love my hair to be like super dark, I don't want it to look inky, and I don't like that look when it just looks, you know, like one dimensional. That was the issue that I was having before. I just didn't want my hair to be one dimensional. So the way that I did it, I like it because like my roots are really black, and then it kind of fades into this this natural, beautiful, soft black color towards the ends of my hair. I really like this color. Now, being that it is a semi-permanent color, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I will definitely like update in the comments and let you guys know. But as long as I get at least 1 month out of this, I will be happy. I don't mind, you know, if it's not damaging my hair at all, I don't mind doing this once a month. That's a-okay with me. So yeah, anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!